Hey, welcome back everybody. So today we're down here in the shop. We've got our new project in here. Yes, introducing our new project. It's an F650 and we're going to be doing a quick how-to on some fiberglass repair on the front of this. Before we get started and get it coated, we've already got some stuff coming off of this truck, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get after it. All right, so right here we've already got started grinding this crack out where it was a pretty decent crack. We've got to finish grinding this out. And when we grind this out, we're going to go ahead and try to beat this out so we can get our filler in here, and that should pretty well prevent this from cracking any further and make it look a whole lot better. So we're going to go ahead and get some Bondo mixed up here, which is actually fiberglass reinforced for that particular truck, which is kind of a grayish green color. They call this headlight. Now, get our hardener, get it mixed in here. Yep, looks like I can knead it just a little bit. Then we take our Bondo spreader, body filler spreader, whatever you guys want to call it, and we start mixing it up. Now, like I said, this stuff is particularly formulated for fiberglass. You can get different kinds. Some of it, like I said, it's not reinforced, but this is actually a reinforced body filler for fiberglass panels. I think this is from Robolo, I believe is the maker of this. All right, now it's time to go put it on. Already got a backing mat in behind this. Now, get that on there, and that backing mat will hold the material in place. Now, we'll come over here to our crack and start applying that, which now, the thing is, a lot of people don't know about this stuff is it has a tendency to shrink. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going just a little bit taller than the mating surfaces on this. So what happens is when it shrinks down, the center of it can still be sanded, and it'll honestly sand out and have a better finish, and then that actually eliminates the amount of sanding time and application. So, you know, don't be afraid to, you know, put it on there. You know, this generous coating here in the affected area, especially when it comes to this cracks. And you spread it out, and like I said, after we're done, we will feather the edges down, and you'll never even see it. It's ever there. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and rasp the fill our material down a little bit to where it fits the contours. This also cuts down our sanding time. Fill our material down a little bit where it fits the contours. This also cuts down our sanding time. And I'm actually using what they call a body filler rasp in order to rasp this material, and this allows the edges to feather a little bit easier when I go to sand it on the final. Still soft, and I've got this little divot right here. I'm gonna actually take the knife and cut out a little place. The grill will fit a little bit better, that way I don't have to sand on that. Pretty good right there. Access, we're going to scrape it off while it will. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do our final sand. On the fiberglass here, smooth it out, get it all the dimensions the same, and then we'll be getting this part ready to spray. Now I like to go ahead and do the last final little step here with my hands, and then that way I can feel it all, so stay tight. edge up a little bit. I'm gonna get in here on this crack and make sure that grills fit good. All right, that's all feathered. Now we'll go over here and we'll finish this side up. Okay folks, and that's how you do a little bit of fiberglass repair, especially on these fiberglass front ends. So if you like what we're doing, you want to see more of it, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.